Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you the LEDs with the ringtones and notifications on the back of the Nothing Phone 1. Now if you've seen my channel before you will probably know that I've already done a video like this, but basically Android 13's come out, so as you see Android 13 by Nothing OS 1.5.2 that's come out, and obviously Android 13 on this phone as a whole has just made it so much smoother. I thought this was quick enough as is, but parts of the Android 13 update is they now have new ringtones. So I'm going to do the same as I did in the last video. I'm going to go through all the ringtones and notification sounds that are on here, but I've decided that I'm just going to do both anyway. I'll go through the old ringtones and the new ringtones. This video can just be one as a whole. So all the ringtones will be in this video, so all 20 ringtones and all 20 notification sounds will be in this one video. So yeah, let's get into it. So they were the old ringtones. Now going to the new ones. Now I haven't actually had a look at these yet, and it's already started. But I'll replay that one again. But yeah, I haven't actually seen these ones yet, so this is new for me as well. So those ringtones are actually quite a bit more different to the original ones than I expected. So yeah, they're a bit more different, but I'll go to the notification ones. So once again, I'll go through the old ones, then I'll go through the new ones. So yeah, that's the old notifications. So now let's look at the new ones. So yeah, that's it for all the new ringtones and notifications. So yeah, I might make a video of the Android 13 update as a whole. Still no OLED dark mode, which is really annoying. I hate how it's like grey. This has an OLED screen. It'd be so nice if it had OLED dark mode, but oh well. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys come for another video.